what we got is, as the euro got down to the low, this was that key area, those 07s. So we just traded through 07s, and what do we get? Big chunk of size sitting at the low. It's already traded 500 into this. And so what you're looking for is potentially for this to break, and then we're through 07s. This is where anyone who's looking for that short thinks, right, this goes, then all of those different technical breakout trades are on. Trading into it is definitely real, takes 1300. Now the size is dropping down. Size isn't building back up here, so you start thinking, right, this should go now once it takes them out. Takes it out. You just don't get a great deal of continuation. 50 lots trades down. A little bit more. Even when it takes it offered, nothing trades down to the next price. They're reloading those 04s. So it's almost as if they disguised the amount they wanted to buy by leaving a big bid, but then reloading the next price. Now where you get a trade here is as it starts ticking back up. There we go, back above 04s. Anyone who sold this thing looking for the breakout, looking for that continuation, is now trapped. And this is where you then start to get the move back up, as those who sold it get caught out. And this is what you would call a behind the elephant trade, whereby it trades out the large size, market dips below, and in this case a tick, finds some more buying straight away. As soon as it moves back through the point where the size is, i.e. 04.5, as soon as you got back through there, you've now got a trade on. You've now got the potential for a move higher, as everyone who sells through it doesn't get the payoff that they want. And that's this first move down here. Pushes through, you can see that increased volume, and that's all the selling into that size. But you don't get any more selling in terms of delta on the way back up. Volume drops straight back off. So what that's showing you is that there's no real continuation in this. There's no further energy in this move. It is merely a push down, which then catches some positions out. Now if we move this on, and go and have a look at what comes up afterwards once we get back down there. And here we go. So this is your next move down. And this is this break here. So you'd be very aware that we traded down to 04s. We're now back there. So this is the important bit, that you're now thinking, right, we're back down at these 04s. This time, if the buying doesn't come back, we should see a continuation lower. Buying wasn't there. Starts trading 04s. Right, now it's broken 04s. Now this should keep going. And 02.5 is going to be the important level that you're looking for. Break that 300, and then any attempt to buy at 04.5, any attempt to buy at 02.5 has failed. This time the move can continue. There we go, so through the 2.5s. Now you're thinking, right, this move is on. We should get a continuation lower. This should start looking for the other side of the range. But instantly jumps the market back up. You've got a little patch of low volume that trades straight the way through. And once again, back above 04.5. You've remembered that level, hopefully. So you're very aware that now you can be looking to be buying this once again. Stops below the low. Any selling has once again failed. And what this ends up creating is hammer on a 5-minute chart with a bit of volume. Delta this time starts to increase very, very quickly. This market then turns around completely. And so by being aware of the level, but then also recognizing the price action when it gets down there, you get twice this opportunity to play a behind the elephant trade. We then also get this low volume left as well. So where you get tapering off into the low, and then this little patch of low volume just above. Excuse me. So that tapering off of volume just above. As we trade back through that, you then don't expect the market to trade there again. Market then continues higher, and that's exactly what we got. There's your 04.5s. We then continue the move to the upside. So it's being aware of where that large size is and then how it trades once it goes through it. The lack of continuation provided you with the opportunity to go for the upside.